Okay, let's go to page 182, and this is lesson 15.3, complicated figures. So when you have complicated figures, it's kind of hard to, sometimes you have to kind of cut and paste, sometimes you have to move things around, okay? So example 15-8. So you have this situation over here. And you're looking for this area over here. So in this case, the area would be equal to the big circle. So sometimes it's good to throw out your strategies before you try to figure it out. So the area of this donut would be big circle minus the small circle, right? And so k will equal to, you have radii of 2 and 3. So this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, so it would be pi r square minus the inside pi r square. So area will equal to 9 pi minus 4 pi. So area will equal to 5 pi. Okay. And the donut is called the annulus. Okay. Okay, let's go to example 15-9. Okay, so you're looking for area of a regular octagon with side lengths of 2. Okay, so find the area of regular octagon with side lengths 2. Okay, so if this is 2, this would be square root of 2, square root of 2. Square root of 2. So again, there are several ways you can do this. Okay, you can, so k, you can have the square minus 4 times the little triangle. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Another way to do it is you can slice it up into other little spaces. But I think this is probably the simplest thing to do. Okay, and so this would be 2 plus 2 square root of 2, right? Because this is 2 and this is square root of 2, square root of 2, right? And this would be square root of 2. Okay, so this would be equal to 2 plus 2 square root of 2 times 2 plus, okay, let's just write it out, okay? Or you can just square it, okay, either way. Let's do the square, okay. Minus 4 times, okay, the triangle will be 1/2 base times height. Okay, so area, that's going to work this out. So you square that, you get 4, and you square that, you get 4, you square that, you get 2, and the middle term would be 2 times this times that, so it would be equal to 8 square root of 2. Okay, minus, this cancel out, so it would be 4. Okay, so this cancel out with that. So you're going to get 8 plus 8 square root of 2. Okay, and that's it for this one. Okay. So again, it's a good idea to help you, write out your strategy and help you to visualize. Okay, let's go to example 15-10. Okay, so you're looking for this, okay? So this area is going to be equal to, probably easy to do is the semicircle minus a sector. Actually probably, okay, let's go and do this. Okay, so semicircle plus the right triangle. So that's the area of the whole thing, and you minus the sector, a quarter circle. Okay? Okay, so again, semicircle plus the right triangle, the half of the right area of the right triangle, and minus that. Okay? So again, write down your strategy, okay, and before you work it out. Okay. And it says the AB equal to 2 square root of 2. So this is 2 square root of 2. So this is 2 square root of 2. So this would be a 2, this would be a 2. And 2 square root of 2, so the radius is square root of 2. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's use K. Okay, so K equal to pi r square, and it's only half of the circle, so times it by 1/2. Okay, this is the triangle, so it'll be 1/2 base times height minus, and 2 square root of 2, so this would be a 2. So it'd be pi r square, and it's only 1/4 of the circle, so times by 1/4. Okay, so go and work it out. So this will equal to pi plus 2 minus pi. So K equal to 2. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to example 15-11. 15-11 seems kind of complicated, but actually is super easy. Okay. Okay, so you're looking for this area, the shaded area. Okay, so I kind of call this cat eye. So you can, there are several ways you can do this. Okay, you can cut this over here. So basically, you have 4 cat eyes. You're going to end up with 8 segments. So you can figure out each individual segments and times by 8. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Another way of doing this is this. Okay, learn how to move things around. So what I'm going to do is, okay, I'm going to draw a circle out here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this piece out here. Okay, so let's do this. So one of the very good tricks is by moving things around. So I'm going to move this piece. See, move this piece over here, move to here. Okay, so this piece becomes right over here. Okay, move this piece to here. Okay, move this piece to here, move this piece to here. So what you end up is that you basically, you end up with this situation. So the area is actually 2 times the circle minus the square. Okay, so basically that's what you have. Okay, so you can move this over here, move this here, move this over here, move this over here, move this over here. So we end up with a circle minus that. So that's what you end up having. Okay, so area of the shaded region would be 2 times circle minus the rhombus or the square turned sideways. Okay, and now it says giving the square in the figure with side length 4. So this is 4. Okay, so if this is 4, notice this is 4, which is also diameter. So that means this is also equal to 4. Okay, so the radius is 2. So radius equal to 2. Okay, and this is 4. Okay, 4. Okay, so area equal to 2 times. Okay, now the area of the circle would be pi r square, right? Now if you turn this sideways, become a rhombus. So rhombus, the area of the rhombus is 1/2 d1 times d2. Okay, or you can just use 2 times 1/2. So you can just any way you can there are many ways you can figure out the area of that. So k equal to 2 times 4 pi minus 8. So area equal to 8 pi minus 16. Okay, and that's it. So it looks pretty complicated, but if you know how to move things around, it's actually very easy. Okay. Okay, let's go to example 15-2. Uh, 15-12. Okay, so you have 4 circles. And okay, so you're looking for these regions over here. So again, what you want to do is you want to cut this into kind of halfway like that. And this you also can kind of, if you saw this, so all these are spatial triangles. Okay. So again, if you move things around, okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? There are 6 of them. Notice that if you, so there are 6 of them. So basically, the k equal to 6 times this kind of cat eye, right? Now the cat eye, the segment would be a sector minus triangle. Okay, so a sector minus triangle, and each one of these is radius of 6. So each of these have radius of 6. Okay. So k will equal to 6 times, okay, so this would be pi r squared times the portion will be 60 degrees out of 360. Okay, minus, okay, so this one, this would be 3 square root of 3. So it'd be 1/2 base times height. Okay. So the k equal to, this is 6, equal to 6 times, this would be, Okay, so this cancel out, and this cancel with that, so it'd be 6 pi, and this would be cancel out, so it'd be 9 square root of 3. Okay, and so k will equal to 36 pi minus 54 square root of 3. Right, and that's it. So again, sometimes the problem gets complicated. You need to go ahead and draw it out and develop your strategy. Okay, and then from there you can figure out and you can work it out.